you our little camp stove cook system here.
Mini camping stove. Purchased this on Amazon. Was very reasonably priced.
Fits right inside this little container.
The container fits right inside our cook system as well. We just put it right in there, carry it all together.
These little guys retract, so you kind of spin this out a little bit. Attach it to your fuel cylinder. Spin that on. Make sure our tabs are all flexed outward. Turn on the gas. Not too stand over it.
Hit the button. If it's windy, you might want to have something behind it, so
We're working on that.
the flame stays lit as it is right now, but we add some filtered water. Bam!
Coffee and tea.
Or you can add it to your favorite backpacking meal package. This stove is awesome. Recommend it?
It's very lightweight. I love it. I use it every time.
Thanks. Enjoy that stove.